Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can log into your GoogieHost paid hosting account. Let's get started. Once you purchase paid hosting, you will receive a confirmation email from GoogieHost. This email is sent to the same address you used to register your account. If you cannot find it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam junk folder as well. After opening the email, you will find your hosting details, such as login URL, username, password, server details. Click on the DirectAdmin login URL provided in the email. The login page will open. Enter your username, provided in the email, then enter your password. Click on the login button to the DirectAdmin control panel. From here, you can fully manage your hosting account. Inside the DirectAdmin panel, you can manage domains, create email accounts, create and manage databases, create FTP accounts, install SSL certificates, upload and manage website files. On the left side of the panel, you will see your hosting resources, such as disk usage, bandwidth usage, domain limits, email account limits, database limits. These limits depend on the hosting plan you purchased. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.